Hello everyone. Thin, lifeless hair is not a verdict. The right haircut can dramatically change your look and give your hair the desired volume. Let's figure out which haircuts work magic in a matter of minutes of styling. Why is a haircut everything? The volume does not start with expensive procedures, but with the right master and the right haircut. Even the thinnest hair can be visually thickened thanks to a competent cut, layers, and texture. Top 5 haircuts for instant volume. 1 layered haircut. This is the queen of volume. The layers create lightness and movement. The short layers at the crown lift the hair, while the long ones at the bottom retain their length. It fits in 3 to 5 minutes with a hairdryer and a brush. It's done. 2 Pixies with volume. Short, bold, and incredibly voluminous. Pixie is suitable for bold girls. The master leaves the length on top of the head and makes it short on the sides. The result is instant volume and lightness. The installation will take just a minute. 3. Bob with an asymmetry. Classic bob got a new lease on life. The asymmetrical cut and layers give the hair volume and a modern look. You can even put it by hand, just by drying it with a hairdryer. The hair itself will be lush. 4 Shag. The legendary haircut of the 70s is back. Shag is the perfect mix of short and long layers. The hair looks super voluminous and the styling is minimal. Just blow dry and you're done. 5. A ladder with a curtain bang. Soft cuts along the entire length of the hair create the illusion of density. A fringe curtain visually lifts the hair around the face. This haircut is ideal for medium length and gives volume automatically. See the fashionable selection of haircuts for fine hair. Enjoy watching it, everyone. Happy New Year!
Slow down, I don't like to love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.